Hello, this is Julia Child. Welcome to Home Cooking with Master Chefs. Happy cooking and bon appetit. Some ingredients are real staples in my kitchen, things I just wouldn't be without. For instance, very fresh eggs, the fine olive oils and walnut oils that add such good flavor, and my favorite herbs and spices. Eggs come in different sizes and colors, but don't let that confuse you. Most important is to make sure you're buying eggs that are really fresh. Just click the topics here to learn what a smart shopper and cook should know. And don't forget to click the arrow when you want to continue. Some of my favorite ways to enjoy eggs are indeed the simplest preparations. Egg dishes don't have to be fancy to be delicious. Inside each of these eggs, you'd find my advice on the best ways to get good results in short order. Inside of a recipe, eggs can go through magical transformations. These dishes are examples that prove once again the egg is one of our most versatile foods. Click on each recipe for an example of eggs at work. Here is another staple in my pantry. Olive oils and other oils are popular these days. All of our chefs have their own favorites for salads and for cooking. There are a lot of choices, and the language on the labels can be very puzzling. Let your taste be your guide. And when you're ready to put clarified butter or a fine, fresh oil to work, try one of these recipes. Click. I always keep a supply of herbs and spices on hand. Tarragon, rosemary, thyme, cloves, cinnamon. I'll combine my spices, but I'm not for putting a whole lot of herbs in together. I think they kill each other off. Here are some recipes that make particularly good use of my favorite seasonings. Don't just dump them in. Add a bit at a time and taste constantly as you go. Mary Sue Milliken and Susan Feniger are a lively pair. They began separate careers in the Midwest, then went on to formal training at Chicago's acclaimed Le Perroquet restaurant, then a season in France for each. They teamed up in 1982 at City Cafe in Los Angeles. They next opened the larger City restaurant with a menu of eclectic cuisine based on travels to Thailand and India. They're now focusing their energies on their flamboyant Mexican restaurant, the Border Grill in Santa Monica.
Oh, I love chocolate. Today we are going to do a chocolate cake together. If you have the chance to use a chocolate block like this one, like the bakers or the chef use in a restaurant, don't use those expensive knives to chip the chocolate. I use the oyster knife. And then take a big chunk of it.